Chama cha maafisa kliniki nchini KUKO kimelisuta baraza la magavana kwa msimamo wake kuhusu mgomo wao wa kitaifa unaoendelea. Viongozi wa chama hicho wamesema kuwa magavana hawana nia kusitisha mgomo huo, wakidai kuwa wito wao wa mkutano wa kutafuta suluhu umepuuzwa. Walizungumza hapa jijini Nairobi.
We did a letter to them on 5th requesting for a meeting after they had refused to assent to this document on 4th, and they have never actually given us any platform. So we haven't had any meeting with them. 2, yes, they are saying they will not budge. But we are saying, do we have any law in this country? So if there is any law, then we must be governed by the laws and policies in this country. And we must have goodwill. Unless they are telling us they are pursuing their political side of thinking, which we do not want to borrow.
The threats, intimidations, the dismissals will not solve the health crisis that we have now. We must be able to engage in social dialogue, and while doing that, we must do so with the goodwill that is demanded by the same process. The social dialogue that was convened by the CS of Labor, and where we spent over 2 weeks for us to be able to come up with a return to work formula together with the representatives of the Council of Governors for them to just go back.
Na serikali ikiendelea na mchakato wa kupiga jeki baadhi ya shule mbalimbali